Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the pan screw on your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's damaged, missing, or rusted out. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our dryer model. It's a Frigidaire. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So the first thing we're going to do is turn the dryer around. So as you can see, we don't have a screw in here, which is making this a little bit loose. So what we want to do is we'll get a new screw and we'll put that in there and tighten it up a bit. So grab your new OEM replacement screw. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online site. Alright, so now we're just going to simply put that in there, screw that in. Nice and tight. And now it's not wobbly anymore, so we can turn this back around, plug it in, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.